We got the Ryobi Black Friday Holiday Deals Gift Center. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the Black Friday coming up, any of the holiday deals that are coming up. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So nothing but Ryobi today. If you guys want to see other brands, I do have different separate videos for each brand. So keep that in mind. Stay tuned to this channel and obviously subscribe. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and start here. We got a bit set here for $597, 20-piece drill and impact set. Very, very inexpensive. And then we got a brand new line, guys. I don't know what Ryobi's doing, but yeah, they do have a brand new line. This is $29.97, your choice. You got a screwdriver set, a kit, a pivoting laser, 2 lithium 3 amp hour rechargeable batteries, high pressure inflator kits, compact flashlight. Got all sorts of little stuff. Magnifying light kit, flip light, a 3-port charger, a USB clamp fan. So kind of like the clamp fan that they had, but you know it's a little different. But wow, it's just different. I never seen this before. So, well, I saw it at the store, but I never even knew that it had this. $49.97 for the USB lithium glue pen kit. Lithium power carver kit. 3/8 ratchet. That's interesting. I would definitely jump into that one. Lithium rotary toolkit, power cutter kit, and a power scrubber kit. So different tools, guys. They're basically targeting the DIY or the the hobbyists, the people that are doing smaller type of work or detailed work. All right, so we got the glue pen kit. This is pretty much, I'm thinking, more precise. You got the magnifying light kit. So like I said, electronics, people that work on electronics, that's this is their thing basically. You got a clamp fan, so if you're sitting in an office, there you go. And then you got some more tools. A ratchet, guys. I think this is the smallest ratchet ever, other than the M12, Milwaukee. But this is a really small battery for a ratchet, so this is actually a pretty good combination. Definitely check those out. And then you got a rotary toolkit, and then at the bottom you got some more tools which I didn't go over, but maybe if you guys we get enough comments, we'll go on over on detail on that brand new line. So this is an airstrike nailer for $169. You got your choice here for $59.97. You got an adhesive, a caulk gun, multi-tool, a reciprocating saw, or a 4.5-inch angle grinder. And then you got from the $49.97 to the right there, which is a 3/8 drill driver, 1-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Oh, they got a vacuum for 49 bucks. Nice. A power inverter. Oh, that's interesting. 120 watt power inverter. We'll look at that in a second. But yeah, definitely they do have different tiers. All right, so power inverter. So this is 120 watt. It says dual power, 2 ways to power by the battery or by the car. So you're able to plug it in with the car, I guess, in a battery. So that's pretty interesting what they did here. And then you can power just smaller devices, smaller fans, smaller TVs, and stuff like that. And it seems like this is the 12-volt plug, 3-year warranty. So that's what plugs into the battery and to the car. And you got a drill there, and you got an angle grinder there to the left, oscillating tool, and then you got the caulk gun there at the bottom, reciprocating saw, and that vacuum there to the right. I do apologize for not focusing on everything. All right, and then they got deals on these modular storage systems. $99 for the 2-drawer, $74.97 for the rolling. So it's pretty interesting what they did here. They try to obviously get you guys, because it's a pretty big line. Ryobi's a pretty big line, and they're trying to get you some. But check this out. Online, you can get this deal for $169. So I think online's a better deal than the store. All right, so $69 for this starter kit with the 2 amp hour, $79 for the 2 4 amp hours batteries, and then that is the starter kit there. Basic charger. All right, got 2 4 amp hour, 4 amp hour and a 6 amp hour for $139, and then you got a 1.5 starter kit with what, 6 batteries for 169. So that is the 2 HP batteries. And then I saw this on new lower price, kind of like clearance. The yellow tags are, you know, new low price. Bunch of 2-inch bits, 1-inch bits, some nut drivers, 95 piece impact driving bit set. It was 29 down to 23, so pretty good deals. This is the gift center. This is the big gift center with all the brands. And pretty much, like I said, we're just going Ryobi on this one. Alright, so we got the buy one, get one for free, starting from the left, or the right, my bad. We got a 6-tool combo kit for $199 and a 4-tool combo kit for $159. And keep in mind that these are not brushless tools. These are brushless tools. You can choose from 2 different kits. You guys can get free tools. So buy one, get one free. So you can choose from the $199, get 2 free tools, impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, charger, and a case. Or you can choose from the 2 batteries, a charger for $99. That's a killer deal, guys. Especially if you guys hack that. You guys are able to put those batteries down to $37 for 2 4-amp-hour batteries. That is so crazy, guys. Very crazy. Especially if you pair it up online with that what is it, the grease gun? Those batteries come down to $37. Alright, so the tools you can get for free is the angle grinder, the one-handed reciprocating, so those are HP, by the way, brushless tools. The right angle drill, looks like, or the oscillating, yeah, the oscillating tool, my bad. The compact brushless pruning saw, which is one of the newer ones. The jet fan blower, the jigsaw, the circular saw, and the sander. The inflator, that one's pretty nice. The inflator, it does have a big volume inflator and stuff like that, and tire inflator. The router and the lights. So definitely check them out, guys. There's a lot of good tools, especially those brushless tools up there. And then we got the other brands, like I said. There's more videos coming up this weekend, and I already have some of them out. I already got the Ryobi Link wet and dry vacuum for $99, and then the shears for $149. The shear shrubber. That's it right there. And then you got the brad nailer, which I do have. This thing's a beast. Definitely recommend this brad nailer, $99. Yeah, this thing's really good. There here to the right, we got the clamp speakers and the lights for $39 and $29.97. So yeah, I do apologize. Unfortunately, I didn't get all the tools that were in this section, but I did get the lights, and I got the heat gun for you guys. So they're around that price. Anyway, moving on to the $99 tools, you got the ratchet kits, 3-inch ratchet, HP brushless circular saw, 7¼ circular saw, the hammer drill, 1/2-inch hammer drill, and the compact impact driver. So brushless 4-mode impact driver, reciprocating saw, brushless reciprocating saw, and then there to the right you get a bit set, router bit set, 15 piece for $39.97. The ratchet, I do recommend. This thing's a beast. I used to have it. It worked really well when I had it. And you got the hammer drill there, circular saw, the reciprocating saw. Alright, so $9.97 for a 40-piece drill and drive impact socket, or impact drive sets. You got a 40-piece impact bit set there to the right. So unfortunately, I personally do not like these bits. I don't know about these new ones though. These are fairly new. I haven't used the Ryobi newer bits, but the older ones, the ones to the left, I don't really like them. It's just for one-time use probably. $89, your choice here. You got impact driver or drill driver. These are HP brushless tools. These are kits. Alright, so $89 for any of these tools. You got the right angle 3/8 drill, the 4-mode impact wrench, 3/8 impact wrench. You got the 6-port fast charger, or you can get the 3-inch cutoff tool, or 2 batteries for $69. 2 2-amp-hour batteries for $69. So definitely not the best deal on those batteries. You guys know, you guys could get the hack on those batteries for $37. So that, you know, do some math on that one. Alright, so you got the impact wrench. We'll definitely recommend that impact wrench, the drill driver, the 6-port charger. Those are the 2 batteries right there that I suggest not getting. And $24.97 for the inflator with digital gauge. So that is... and then we got the impact wrench kit for $99. However, that is not the brushless. It's not the HP. The Ryobi does make a brushless and a high torque impact wrench. This is the framing nailer. So this is new. Yeah, this is one's definitely new. It's $2.99. You got the buy one get one free. So impact driver, jaw driver for $139, get a free battery. So definitely hackable, guys. My guess is around $100, maybe a little less, for both of those tools after the hack. Lots of good deals, guys. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully I can try and update as the store stock up and get those newer deals out there. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.